Mastering math language. Understanding, plot the points. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a common phrase used in mathematics: plot the points. Whether you're a math enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's explore what it means to plot the points and how it's used in a real-world context. Plot the points is a phrase often used in math, especially in geometry and algebra. It means to mark specific points on a graph based on their coordinates. These coordinates are usually a pair of numbers indicating the position of a point on a two-dimensional space. For example, 3, 2 means 3 units along the horizontal axis, x-axis, and 2 units up the vertical axis, y-axis. Plotting points is crucial in visualizing mathematical concepts. It helps in 1. Understanding relationships between different points. 2. Creating graphs of functions or equations. 3. Solving geometric problems. 4. Interpreting data in fields like statistics and physics. 1. Identify the coordinates. Each point is represented by a pair of numbers, like x, y. 2. Find the x coordinate. Locate the x value on the horizontal axis. 3. Find the y coordinate. Locate the y value on the vertical axis. 4. Mark the point. Place a dot where the x and y coordinates meet. Let's apply plot the points in real-life situations. In geography, marking specific locations on a map using latitude and longitude. In science, plotting data points in an experiment to observe trends. In finance, graphing economic data to analyze market trends. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, plot the points. It's a fundamental concept in math that extends beyond numbers and graphs into our everyday life. Stay tuned for more insightful English language learning content. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.